old saying, "It's not what you know, it's who you know," is outdated. There's a deeper truth. It's not about who you know, it's about who knows you and respects you. In this shift, the focus moves from superficially racking up contacts to cultivating a personal brand that commands recognition and respect. The power lies not only in being known, but in being known for the right reasons. When others perceive you as someone with authority, value, and authenticity, doors open in ways that mere acquaintances can never achieve. Let's explore why this shift is crucial, how it can impact your personal and professional success, and what steps you can take to ensure that people know you and respect you. Number 1, the fallacy of traditional networking. Everyone has heard the phrase, "It's who you know." Corny networker types hustle to attend networking events, exchange business cards, and hope their relationships with key players lead to new opportunities. While connections are indeed valuable, this approach puts too much emphasis on externally driven validation. In many cases, people assume that simply knowing the right people automatically results in success. However, knowing people doesn't matter as much as being important to them. It's the difference between clinging to someone else's influence and creating your own sphere of power and value. Ultimately, a strong personal brand that commands attention is far more potent than having a fluff Rolodex of acquaintances. Number 2, the power of personal branding. Your reputation is your business card. With the reach and exposure provided by social media, content platforms, and even in-person interactions, your influence can expand beyond one-to-one connections. A personal brand is the perception others have of you based on how you present yourself. It's shaped by your values, achievements, the content you create or share, and the way you engage with the world. A powerful personal brand goes beyond mere self-promotion. It's about demonstrating value and earning trust over time. When you're respected and recognized within your industry or community, people who know you will not only recognize your expertise, but they'll actively seek you out. This is a major advantage because your opportunities are no longer dependent on who you've met or managed to connect with. They come to you organically because of your established reputation. Number 3, focus on your positioning. Instead of chasing connections, focus on positioning yourself as someone of value. When you're seen as an expert, leader, or innovator in your field, others will be drawn to you, and those connections will be more meaningful. The key to positioning is to be proactive about your visibility and the impression you make. Create value, provide valuable insights, solutions, or expertise that others can't ignore, whether through social media posts, articles, speaking engagements, or projects. Share your knowledge generously. Demonstrate authenticity. Authenticity builds trust. In a world where people are bombarded with info and content, authenticity stands out. Be genuine in your interactions and stay consistent with your values and beliefs. Stand for something. People gravitate towards those who stand for a cause or mission bigger than themselves. Define your purpose and communicate it consistently. By focusing on these elements, you'll create a strong presence that draws attention. When others perceive you as valuable, the number of people who respect and want to work with you will grow. Number 4, the importance of respect. Being known is one thing, but being respected is what makes all the difference. There are countless examples of people who became famous or well-known for the wrong reasons. However, without respect, that notoriety holds little value. Respect is earned through your character, actions, and consistency. It involves delivering on your promises. Consistency and reliability are cornerstones of respect. People respect those who can be counted on. Integrity and ethics. People want to align themselves with others they can trust. Integrity, honesty, and ethical behavior are non-negotiable in building a respected reputation. Expertise. Becoming a leader in your field isn't just about gaining visibility. It's about continuously growing your knowledge and providing credible, insightful perspectives. A respected person becomes a magnet for new opportunities because others see the value in associating with someone who is not only successful, but also trustworthy and competent. Number 5, from influence to opportunity. When you prioritize being known and respected, you build influence, and with influence comes opportunity. People of influence aren't just people who know others, they're people who others want to know. This can lead to the following benefits: Collaboration and partnerships. When people see the value in knowing you, they'll reach out for collaboration, which amplifies your reach and authority. More organic opportunities. Being respected means people talk about you when you're not in the room. Referrals, recommendations, and new opportunities will come to you because of your reputation. Career and business advancement. Employers, clients, or partners are far more likely to choose someone they respect and admire than someone who's just well connected. Your reputation precedes you in every deal, job interview, or venture. Number 6, becoming a known and respected force. Here are some practical steps to move from simply knowing people to being the person others know and respect. Leverage your expertise. Share your knowledge generously through content creation, public speaking, interviews, or writing. Position yourself as an authority. Engage consistently. Show up where your audience is, whether online or in person. Engage with the community, contribute value, and establish yourself as someone who is approachable, yet knowledgeable. Seek feedback and improve. Seek feedback on your content and make adjustments to improve, whether it's through better communication, enhancing your expertise, or refining your personal brand. Always aim to elevate your presence. Build authentic relationships. Focus on creating genuine, mutually beneficial relationships rather than transactional connections. People remember and respect those who invest in real, meaningful relationships. Conclusion: becoming someone who others respect. The key to success today is not found in corny networking tactics, but in becoming someone who is known and respected for their unique value. By focusing on building a solid reputation, positioning yourself as an expert, and cultivating respect through consistent and authentic actions, you can shift from passively seeking opportunities to attracting them. Remember, it's not about who you know, it's about who knows you, respects you, and seeks you out for your unique expertise and value. Respect is the ultimate currency in building long-term success and influence. If this video helped you, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and click link in description for more.